What's going on, Schmitty Garage? Just got done rearranging the hutch. Got these really cool swivel metric wrenches. So ratcheting swivel head metric wrenches. Not a bad deal. I think I got this whole kit for 50 bucks. 8 through 19. I had this rail that's been sitting around forever, so I bolted it to the wall. That's what makes Snap-on boxes so nice, is they do use these metal walls. Yeah, I've just been rearranging everything, trying to get it all straightened out and organized. Organization is key. Got the spark plug, gap testers. This is for the angle grinder, 1/4 inch, torque wrench. I put the oil wrenches over here, a camber tool right there, air stuff, the valve stems, the filler. Put a file down there, then an ignition file here, another valve stem tool. Then we got our 3/8 inch click type torque wrench, some SK sockets, Snap-on ratchets, crescent wrenches, big, medium, small, stethoscope, spare sockets, S&K. What else do we got going on in here? All the air tools, air scraper, swivel head, cutoff wheel, stubby 1/2 inch, butterfly, 1/4 inch ratchet, breaker bar, some more torque wrenches, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, standard metric, all sorts of specialty tools, swivels, all the other specialty tools, Snap-on, swivel, impact, standard metric, deep, shallow, Snap-on torques. That's just the top drawer. And we got some more wrenches, standard metric, Snap-on Craftsman, gear wrench, extensions, some Snap-on Craftsman wrenches. What else do we got? Alright, screwdriver drawer, belt, tensioner tool, picks, pick stuff, so specialty bits, more specialty bits, hammers, electric rivet gun, timing stuff, UV light, pry bars, plastic razor blade, regular razor blade, breaker bar, bolt extractors, or some type of extractor. Punches, brush drifts. What else do we got here? Alright, pliers. Electric drawer, and hot cold test light with that reads voltage. Nice voltmeter and amp clamp. Any plier you could ever possibly need. New mention for this one is just got this. This is for crimping electrical ends on wires. So this just came in the mail. I've needed this for a while. I used to just use a vise, but now I got the proper tool. What's really cool about this one is you push these in and then you can swivel it to whatever size you need. Really cool tool. Needed this for a while. So there's that. Specialty stuff, you name it. Tap and thread restore kit, 1/4 inch socket sets, pickle forks, tap and die, engine pullers, steering wheel pullers, you name it. Specialty, all sorts of stuff, tight reach, brake line tool, fuel line pullers, bearings tools, rear end tools, exhaust tools, compression tester, seat clamps, pipe benders, any tool required to rebuild a 350, like a bearing tool, tight reach tools, pulley puller for power steering pump pulleys, you name it, we got it. This is a cool one. Wheel stud installer. You could do an old, just use washers, but I found this tool and it makes it super easy. It has a bearing on it. I don't know, trans cooler for a Ford. Whatever, if I need it, I got it. If I don't need it, I'm gonna buy it. Alright, nice toolbox review. This was the primary purpose of this. This is nice. Just need to come over here. Let's see here. Need to grab a 10 because everything is a 10. Yank it off. Go work on something. And then pop it right back on there. Alright, peace.